Hey guys, it's Paul. I'm going to show you how you can do a YouTube live webinar via Google Hangouts. Really easy to set up and use, and just probably the simplest way to do a webinar. We're going to do some YouTube webinars coming forward about Zoho CRM, and I just wanted to show the guys that I'm using with what we were going to plan to do, what was the easiest way to do. And it looks to me like the easiest way is YouTube Live and then Google Hangouts. So no further ado, you're going to go to your Creator Studio in your YouTube. Click on that, and then down the side it'll say live streaming. If you click on the drop down arrow, it'll say stream now, events, camera. You want to go to events, right? We're going to create a new event, so new live event. I'll give it a title, live webinar series on YouTube, something like that, whatever it is. Create a time. I'm going to say maybe next week at 5, and then you can finish next week at 6:14. It must be 6:14 now, yeah. Add in your spiel, live webinar series on how to use YouTube Live, whatever it is. Add your tags. So this is the interesting part of it here, is the quick version using Google Hangouts. If you want to use funky things, I've used, I can't remember what it's called now. I've used some other things that launch to YouTube. You can have remote apps that connect, but the easiest way to do it is using Google Live. Advanced settings, enable live chat. You probably want to leave that if you want people to talk to you. It's posted every 60 seconds. So if you wanted to slow them down, you could say don't let them fire. Don't let the same person chat more. Have as many chats every 60 seconds. You've got to wait a minute before they can comment again. Standard, I just leave everything as set. Categories you may want to change, but I'm pretty happy that the default for me is the way to go. There's going to be some funky settings for you maybe, but I'm just going to create the event, right? So I didn't have to change much. I just named it, put some spiel in, and then create the event. So it's going to create and add to this events, right? So live webinar series on YouTube. So now I'm going to start out a Hangout. So here's my Google Hangout. You aren't live at this point. There's me, Sunday afternoon, looking great. So that's me live now. Sorry, this is me in my control panel for Google Hangouts. I'm not live at this point. So what I want to do is invite somebody to join this webinar. I've never done one when I look at myself when I'm talking. Obviously, if I want to just do a webinar with me talking myself, it's the other computer that's beeping. Then just go start broadcast and fire away. But I'm going to show you how to invite somebody else. So I'm going to invite Happy Me Golf. Oh, hopefully my computer's about to take off, so the audio might go a bit bad. So I'm going to invite it. I've got another computer here that's just got, I've got Gmail opened. In fact, I don't know if I can show you. Oh, I might be going into a world of paradigms. I can't show you that, can I? Oh, yeah. Oh, it went off. In this corner, oh, it's upside down anyway. In this corner, I've just been invited to a Hangout. So I'm going to accept the Hangout. Video call from Paul. So in that corner, I'm going to get allow camera. I tried to do it on one computer, but it was just too much hassle. So I've got some spiel saying agree. Okay, got it. I've got a camera coming up and a join button. So now I'm going to join on this other computer. Hello. Right, I'm going to get feedback from both of these. Let me turn speaker off. Let me turn the speakers off. Right, so now it's going to flip between, because both of them can see me, right? If I just mute my microphone, But when you're obviously thousands of miles apart, the person who's talking will show up first, right? So if I go to console, I can actually talk to the person on the other side in a chat box. It's going to come up on this one. So what we've got there is let me just mute. I'll just mute that one, then it won't keep flipping between because that one's not listening now. So what we've got there is a chat box that when we go live, the people that are presenting can talk privately. You know, sounds good. They can't hear you. Don't forget to talk about blah, right? So you're going to be able to go and internally and talk separately as to what you want to talk about. So when you're happy that that person's here, that you've got both of them on, you can obviously start your broadcast. You can obviously invite more people, but the person who's talking will generally take the screen. So I'm going to start the broadcast, and you're going to be a little bit in front of that broadcast. Let's have a look. Starting. Sometimes, yeah. So here we go. So it's going to play an advert. I had that monetization set. So if you want to put adverts on there and things, you can. Skip ad. So you're going to find that you're 30 seconds in front. So, but now we're live. So I'm going to jump back. All right, so I'm going to go back to the Hangout. So it's going to be funky trying to work out what's happening in between the 30-second delay and you doing it. But obviously now I've got two people in this control panel. I can allow that other person, if I unmute them and mute me, to, hopefully you can still hear me, to take control or be the presenter. So I go control panel and now where was allowing that person to be the presenter? Oh, is it in settings? Oh no. Oh, do I just click on that? I just click. You can see that I don't use Google Hangouts that much. So now I can say present to everyone, to that person on that. Oh, the wrong person. It's this one. Present to everyone. So on that other screen, you are now presenting to everyone. I can go on the other screen and screen share and say show my computer and share my computer. So now it goes into a world of zoom out because it's in a, you're seeing a loop, but you can see this computer on the other screen now. So that's the person on the other side is now presenting, is now sharing all their information, doing whatever they want to do. I'll leave that open. Let's go to a website. They can open their presentation, they can open up their whatever they want to do and then start to share it. So that's obviously now sharing live on within the YouTube live channel. It's always weird when I do stuff like this. I always zone out because I've got two things going off. I've got three things happening. So also obviously down here you can ask questions. You can, monetize it, send a super chat. So if someone wants to pay, so when you've got 1,000 subscribers, somebody can actually pay for a question. Imagine somebody paid 500 quid for a question with me. So if you wanted to, you could ask a super chat. And what I think that does is just bumps them up to the top and it leaves them on the top for a while. So obviously you've got to monitor the window with YouTube on as well, but you can monitor, or you can make it smaller. So you can see that I'm live. You can see that now I can turn off that person being the main presenter. I can unmute myself. Stop broadcast. Cameraman. So I can change settings within the Hangout, but basically the Hangout controls everything I want to do. So if I wanted to open up my presentation and share it, it's just a Happy Me business one. I want to open up my main presentation and share it. Stop sharing. You're going to see how fast or how much behind that is. So I think it's about 30 seconds. I think in the settings you can actually change it. So this was more an introduction video on how you can do it rather than exactly how to do it, because I'm still playing. But we're going to go live. We're going to go. We're going to create a webinar series about Zoho CRM where I'll be hosting the webinar on my channel, and then we'll be asking questions, and we'll be sharing a place where we can ask questions. But basically, what I'm saying, this is more for the guys at Mobix, for the guys that I'm going to be working with. We can share it live, we can go live, and we can do everything we need to do via YouTube Live, Google Hangouts, and we should be good with that. Cheers, guys. I know it was a bit scatty. I may or may not share this because I knew it got flaky, but I want to show you how quickly and easy it is to go live on a webinar. Introduce, we're going to do interviews. I'm going to do interviews with people, but it'll be a lot easier when I'm not sat in the same room as the other screen. Cool? Cheers, guys.